What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you know by the title, it's phone case haul time, because with a new phone comes new phone cases, yes. So I went on a little shopping spree from a few different places. I'll show you the ones that I've already opened and used, and then we will unbox the new ones. So this is all for the iPhone 17, my new baby. I've got an unboxing of it on my channel, and yeah, I might do a review on it soon, but I'm loving it so far. Genuinely love it. First things first, I'll show you these ones. So these are from Casebang. I did an unboxing of these not too long ago. Oh, Luffy snuck in here. I did an unboxing of these not too long ago. This is the Disney collection. This is what one of the cases looks like. Well, it's one case and then you can just change the plates. It's like MagSafe plates, and they have a lot of different collabs on their website. And then this is just a wrist holder. So cute, love it. And yeah, they've got a lot of collabs on their website, so do check them out. And I have a discount code for you, which is Shinks15, gets you 15% off their website. I will leave it below. And then the two cases that I showed in my unboxing was this one, which is just a clear black edge case, and I put a Totoro pop socket on it because it was looking a bit plain. And then this was the first case that I used. What the hell was that? It's just a clear MagSafe case. I put a pom-pom Pirin sticker on it, and sometimes I put this little pop socket on it. I just think that is so cute. I love that. And then the other case that I got around that time was this skinnydip one, Snoopy, because I'm obsessed with Snoopy. I think it's such a pretty case. The only thing I don't like about this case is that the edges is like it's got like bumps, and it's not my favorite feeling in the world. I prefer a smooth edge case, so that's the reason that I don't wear it as much, but it's so pretty. The holographic design is so pretty, and it's Snoopy. Then the case that I've been using is this one. Oh my god, it's just so cute. I got this off Redbubble, and it's this little bear and panda called Boo Boo and Doo Doo. They're so cute. I think it's done by a Chinese artist. I'm obsessed with them. I've got this, it's quite a tough case. I actually really like it. It's really comfortable as well. So I really like Redbubble cases. I might get some more, and they do MagSafe as well. They also do thin snap cases, but I prefer the tough ones. And then let's get into the new stuff. So, oh, I'll show you this. My sister made me this. How cute is that? So it's a phone strap, and she did it herself, put the beads on, and I got a little cinema roll. So I will be putting that on a case. I just don't know which one, but love that. And I might as well show you this pop socket that I got. I love a pop socket. If I don't use it on my phone, I use them on my Kindle as well. So it's a little moon with a star, and it spins. Like, how cute is that? So sweet. Isn't that so cute? So yeah, I might put that on my Kindle. I'm not sure yet, but adorable. Okay, so I got this pom-pom Pirin case because my last phone I had a pom-pom Pirin case and I loved it, but they don't do it anymore. That collab doesn't exist. It was a Casetify one. So I just went on AliExpress and I was like, oh, what pom-pom Pirin cases have they got? And I saw this one and I thought it was quite cute, so. Aww. I love pom-pom Pirin. Tell me right now, who is your favorite Sanrio character? Because I like pom-pom Pirin and Cinnamoroll. Those are my faves. And then I got a couple of Rilakkuma cases. This one is so funny. It's like a chocolate bar. I think it's so cute. They also had it in pink, but I went for the brown one. Little chocolate bar. Love it. Really cute. And then I also got this. Also from AliExpress. Oh my god, this is actually the cutest phone case of all time. Oh my god. That is adorable. There's nothing cuter than this case. And it's really soft as well. What I've found with using this phone rather than obviously the bigger phone size. My baby finger has been saved. It doesn't hurt to hold phone cases under here anymore. Loving this phone size, I cannot lie. I got this one. I thought it was really pretty. I think I also got this from AliExpress. Or was it Shein? I don't remember. But I just wanted like a sort of underwater sea theme with some flowers. I mean, it's not really underwater theme. This is like holiday vibes. It's literally autumn right now in the UK, so we will not be using that case. And then I got this clear case with the white MagSafe white edge, but I put this on it when it arrived. Oh no, what's on her face? Because I'm obsessed with her. She's actually just an icon. She's a living legend, and how cute is that? Stop. Because I really like hippers on phones, but because I put my phone in my pocket a lot and I usually put it like face down, I probably won't end up using this much because I don't want her to get broken or something. So yeah, very, very cute, obsessed. Don't think I can use it much. And then the final case I have, and if you know me, you already know what phone case this is, because I've bought this phone case for 3 separate phones. You can't stop me. I'm a woman possessed when it comes to this phone case. It's just the prettiest phone case you've ever seen, but unfortunately they didn't have the pink edge. They only had the white, which is a shame because pink was cute. So it snaps in like that, and you can just buy covers, kind of like casebang, but this one slots in and is MagSafe. And just goes in like that. And I just love this design. I also got pink buttons so I can change these out, because I thought the pink might look quite cute. But yeah, I love it. Oh, it's not on properly. I love it. I think this is the prettiest phone case of all time. I will say I would prefer a pink edge like my previous case, but yeah, I still love it. So those are all the phone cases I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will probably end up getting more, so if I do, I will do another haul. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.